All right, hey everybody, it's Paul Davenport again, day 3, Collision Conference. I'm here with Arnav from Dyne. How's it going, Arnav?
Pretty good. Thank you so much, Paul.
Awesome.
It's been a great day to dine with people.
Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, it looks like you guys got some good treats over here.
Absolutely.
Seeing lots of cupcakes on the stand. All right, so tell me a little bit about Dyne, and that we met some of your team over at the party on Monday night.
Absolutely.
It was great talking with you guys.
Great.
But love to hear it from you.
So, Dyne is a machine learning company in the restaurant sector. We process over 1 billion data points every month, empowering almost 800 locations in 4 different cities in Canada, giving restaurants insights on how they can focus on marketing automations, revenue forecasting, pricing analysis, and building a real experience for customers to enjoy their meals. Currently, we are backed by Microsoft, partnered with Boast,
heck yeah.
and expanding further. So if you like food, you like technology, come dine with me. It will be a great experience.
That is fantastic. So, innovative solution for sure. Tell me about, are you guys working on hard R&D for this, or is it?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So considering it's a machine learning team, we have R&D efforts every month. Every 3 months, we have a new product release, and in fact, in Collision, we are doing one of them as well.
Love it.
We are focused on the generative AI side and the supply chain AI side, which means the R&D efforts are really different, but at the same time, innovative. We focus on the generative side in terms of automating marketing campaigns, creating different experiences, and targeting customer sentiment analysis to focus on the different demographics. The supply chain AI is all about optimizing. It's about seeing the capabilities of a machine learning algorithm and focusing on delivering values to restaurants of different sizes, starting from mom and pop shops, which just care about optimizing it, to even bigger chains like Starbucks and Earls, who are partners with us, to focus on delivering margins and revenue price points on how they can grow their business. We support them all.
That's fantastic. So I cut my teeth waiting tables and bartending, so I mean, this really speaks to me personally.
Absolutely.
All right, now a little bit about Boast. How's the partnership been going so far?
Boast has been one of our critical partners. You guys have actually showed us what we can achieve beyond just being a student team. So we started working with Boast when I was in university. And full disclosure, I just graduated university. So I didn't know a lot about Shred. I didn't know a lot about grants. I didn't understand how exactly Canadians' tech ecosystem can benefit entrepreneurs. I have been a serial entrepreneur, but you guys showed me how it can boost our capabilities using Boast. So I loved it. Thank you so much for the support. And I guess we'll be partners in the long run if you want to dine with us.
Oh yeah, we're going to be partners in the long run.
Absolutely.
Very happy to have, make sure you can tap into that cash when it's
Great.
most important while you guys are coming. So
Absolutely.
awesome.
Great meeting as well.
Hey,
Thank
thanks
you.
again, everybody.
Cheers. Bye-bye.